Supreme Court National Green Tribunal matter. Namaskar. Today our speaker is Jayprakash Somani, advocate from Supreme Court of India NIP. He published more than 50 books on Supreme Court case law. So, I'm presenting you Jayprakash Somani.
Let's see, friends. Supreme Court National Green Tribunal matters. How NGT matters are coming into Supreme Court. This is a statutory appeal in Supreme Court. National Green Tribunal is a separate tribunal which are handling environmental cases. So there is a separate act. The name of that act is the National Green Tribunal Act 2010. Total section of that act is R38, chapters are 5, schedules are 3. And as per section 22 of NGT Act 2010, aggrieved party can be filed statutory appeal in Supreme Court directly within 90 days from the date of the order of the NGT. So this is statutory appeal. No need to file the SLP. Because SLP is a different, you can watch my SLP video differently, but NGT matter, National Green Tribunal matters are coming in Supreme Court directly as a statutory appeal as per section 22 within 90 days. And when you search a good lawyer and when you send your NGT order, that time discuss with that lawyer properly on which point Supreme Court can give the relief. When there is a particular point to get the relief, then file the appeal into Supreme Court. Then proper drafting should be there, proper annexing should be there. Then drafting, you should watch that drafting before filing. Advocate should send that drafting to you for your observations. You observe that over. Take printout. Don't observe only on mobile and laptop. Take printout of each and every page. Read that properly. Whatever new points are there, yes, just remember. Add that point. Submit that to your lawyer. Because this is the last court. Supreme Court is last court. You should take proper precautions. And when after filing the case, then defect clearing process is there. Then after defect clearing process, then admission hearing will be there. And on the admission hearing, Supreme Court will decide whether to admit this case in apex court or not. And when they decided to admit this case, they will issue the notice to the respondent. And after getting notice to the respondent will file counter affidavit. And after counter affidavit, arguments will be there. And then filing adjudication will be there from the apex court. Just remember, you should have a good connection with lawyer. So speak with that lawyer who is looking after your relief very fairly. He is thinking about your relief instead of earning money. There are so many lawyers, very good. In my Supreme Court, all lawyers, all members of SCBA, all members of SCORA are good. Nobody is wrong. But be aware from torts. There are some cheaters. So they will cheat you. So be aware from tort. So speak with lawyer, discuss with them, and then give that particular case, because there each and every lawyer in Supreme Court have to do very hard work. See, such type of appeals we have to file. Such type, this is one volume, sometimes 2 volume, 3 volume appeals are also filed. So there should be a setup with that lawyer. Research team should be there, like that. The junior should be there. A single lawyer cannot do all these things. So take that precaution and search out a good lawyer, search out sometime good law firm also, and then you can give the matter. And before filing that case, you should observe that case properly. So no point should be missed from that case. That is very important, friends. So thank you very much for today. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.